I made these last night for my husband. You take 36 cherries with stems or without, 3 tablespoons of butter softened, 3 tablespoons of corn syrup, 2 cups of powdered sugar shifted, 18 ounces of milk chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Place the butter and the corn syrup in a bowl of a stand mixer. Slowly add the powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, until mixed until dough forms. Refrigerate dough for a few hours until it stiffens and is easy to work with. Prepare your cherries by removing them from their juice and drying them on paper towels. Take a piece of wax paper and place it on baking sheet. This is where you will place your cherries and allow them to harden. Take 1 teaspoon of dough and roll it out thin. Wrap the dough around each individual cherry. Place back into the fridge for an hour. This will make it easy to dip them in your chocolate. Place your chocolate and coconut oil into a microwave-safe bowl and melt it for 30 seconds increments until melted. Take each cherry and drop it into the chocolate. This part is easier if you choose cherries with stems. If you do not want the stems, place your cherries in chocolate and remove with a fork. Allow the chocolate to harden. You can place them back in the refrigerator to speed up the process. After your cherries are set, place them in an airtight container and store them in a dry place. This is where the waiting begins. Let your cherries set for 2 to 4 weeks. The longer they set, the more the insides will lightly, giving you the perfect chocolate covered cherry. Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Thanks.